Hey guys, so I decided to do story time. Maybe it'll be like a weekly thing if I can. And if you guys like this, then yeah, I'll make it like a weekly thing, story time weekly thing. So something happened to me. Let's make this quick just so you guys can actually know what happened. I hate when there's videos and 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then the person still doesn't mention what the hell happened. So here's what happened. I was actually gonna flat iron my hair and I sectioned off my hair. So this is how it went down. Sectioned off my hair. I was gonna do first half, second half. Grab the flat iron. This was off. This is not the one I used. I grab the flat iron and I go boom, boom, boom. But the first swipe that I go, I hear psst, and I was like, so I let go obviously immediately. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, my hair is not wet. I shouldn't be making that sound. I let go. At this point, I don't feel anything. I don't smell anything. So I'm like, okay, whatever. Let me test it out. I check the temperature. I make sure that it's pretty low. It's not even that low. It's pretty low, but it's not all the way up. I grab the tips of my hair, literally just the tips, and I go super quick, and I hear psh, and I'm like, it completely fried off my tips. Completely fried off my tips from the left side. So obviously, burnt tips. I had to cut them off. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure it's more. Yeah. So it was a pretty good chunk. I don't even know why I grabbed so much hair instead of grabbing like a little bit, but I grabbed this whole chunk and I cut off just a little bit, just like point cut it, and I was like, okay, I'll get rid of the burnt ends. It is what it is, whatever, I'll live. It's just hair, it'll grow. But later, after I did my hair, I showered and everything. After I had showered and washed my hair, my ends, obviously I didn't cut off everything, but more of my ends were fried, literally just like. So I decided to cut a little more, and I did. And now it's this short. Yeah, so you can definitely see the difference. But you can still feel my dead ends a little bit on this side. But I mean, they'll live. Eventually I'll cut them off a little bit. But what I'm debating, my issue is, everybody keeps telling me you can't tell, just leave it, whatever. I thought I would just let it grow. You know, you can't tell, my hair will be on top. But every time I look at it, I see this. Super short and long. So I'm thinking, do I leave it? I mean, yeah, do I leave it? Or do I just cut my whole hair to even it out to this? So, I mean, it'll be a cute length, whatever, but it's a lot. That's why I didn't want to cut it, because it's a lot. It'll be this much that I'm cutting off. That's a whole lot. That's a whole lot. So yeah, so if you guys can let me know. Yeah, first world problems, right? I probably shouldn't. There's bigger problems in the world for me to be worrying about my hair. I know. But really, what should I do? What would you guys do? Please help me decide, because I really don't know. I mean, if you guys can tell me what you would do. I mean, I'm pretty sure the fact that I'm a hairdresser, I can easily just cut it, or I can easily just leave it. I don't know what to do. I'm going crazy. But help a girl out. What would you do? What would you do? Maybe if like 5 people tell me cut it, then I'll cut it and I'll make a video of me cutting my hair. Or if we say leave it, then I'll just leave it, and then on the next few videos you'll see my hair uneven. So help me out, help a girl out. What would you do? Cut it or leave it? Let me know. Comment down below and follow me on Instagram and come say hi. Alright, bye guys.